Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. In today's tutorial, I just want to make you aware of a little simple effects you can add to your audio if you want to give it a little boost and you don't want to mess with the levels or anything. So we've got a clip here already opened and you can actually hear the sound. There we go. We've got a very kind of subtle background sound of the wildlife and things. But you can see clearly the audio levels here. They are quite low. They need a boost. And often, if you don't want to mess around with the levels, pushing it up like this. See, in this case, I'm pushing it to plus 12. It won't go any higher than 12. And it's still kind of not peaking, so, but we'll put it back to 0. What you can do, a nice little tip, is go to Effects panel here and put on the adaptive limiter. So we just put adaptive ADA and you're under video and audio. Click that, drag this over, and straight away this will boost the levels. It'll enhance it. It'll make it sound better. You can try it. So this is with the limiter already included. I can disable it and you can hear the difference. Alright, so that may be very, very subtle of a difference, but it's something to try. What you can also do, if it's a more advanced way with this adaptive limiter, you can go to a preset and let's say we put overdrive limit. You can see it boosts those levels to a good level, and you'll definitely clearly now hear the difference. You see, it's a quick and easy way to just enhance your audio, and it doesn't make it sound in any way kind of, artificial or just wrong. It just boosts levels. It does something to it that's really great. So I really advise you just to try that. If you're just putting your footage straight into the timeline and you're not adjusting your levels when it's too low, what you can do is check your levels with this on the right hand side and see, really I think you want to aim for 0. And if I turn my adaptive limiter off, see how low it is. It's under -12. That is too low. So just straight away add this adaptive limiter and it will boost your audio. It's just a very simple way to improve. And I want to make you aware of it. So thanks for listening today, and I'll see you in another video soon. Peace.